Hey guys, welcome to the last week of learning. Really pretty simple this week. The thing that I kind of am calling your final was last week, and that was that full DBQ. This week we're not going to do a full one. It's just additional evidence and sourcing practice. Pretty straightforward there. Obviously, we didn't have a Zoom meeting this week either. Only four of you guys came last time, so I'd like to get more of you guys there. So hopefully you all can come next week. You should be done with school by that point, and I kind of want to give you a pep talk and talk to you before. So please, please, please plan on joining next Monday at, I think I was doing them, at 1 p.m., and we'll do a little chat then. A couple of things this week. I have some cheat sheets here that it's up to you. It's a lot of paper, and so if you don't want to print them, that's fine. I know these are a little long, but these are helpful, I think, especially since they're suggesting not to do Google searching when you do DBQs on the real exam. So, but pretty straightforward week. AP exam started yesterday, and be very glad yours is next Thursday because there were issues. I saw multiple people on Facebook on the AP World page saying that my child is taking the physics exam and it won't load. It won't load. They tried all three different methods. Some people said, "Oh, my kid was fine." Others said there was a weird lag time. So, kind of like when we started using Schoology. About 7 weeks ago, and the first week was just nuts, and then it got better every week and more used to that many users. They apparently, you'd think the College Board would have known this, but they apparently had some flaws. So again, be thankful you are Thursday. You shouldn't have those issues. Some people weren't able to actually wrote the entire thing and they couldn't hit submit yesterday. So be very, very thankful that yours is not just a couple of days later, but over a week later. So I feel very comfortable that things will be fixed by then. But there are quite a few students that did not. I heard from people that said their kid did not submit in the time frame. And so they think that they're going to have to take it again in 2 weeks, which that would be horrible, right? You're like, I worked so hard, and take it again. But anyway, the College Board has a Twitter page, and they announced that they have caught some cheating rings before the test even happened. So that was, I think, Sunday they made that announcement. So just know they are monitoring things. So every one of those kids is out of taking the exams this year, and I don't know what further punishment they have, but just food for thought anyway. I hope you guys all did the practice. I think you're going to have some issues if you didn't do the practice. So go back to the emails I sent you. Please click on those links and make sure everything is working. Anyway, love you guys, and hope everything is going well, and we are so close.